So let's have a quick look here. The drought monitor is talking about a very dry situation. And let's see how this looks like with the regular setting here with the water. Let's go to 2x. I'm gonna go over here. Look at that. We have 30 frames a second, okay? Then let's go to 3x. That's how that looks like. Okay, and now we're gonna try some filters. And I don't know, ND64? Is that what we're gonna try? So ND64, okay? Takes a minute to adjust here. It makes it really dark, right? Again to 2x. Three x. Two. And 1. Was that any good? Oh, it doesn't want to come loose. Sorry about this. I have to refocus. There was ND64, right? What would happen if you do the 265? It would make it too dark, wouldn't it? 265 ND. Look at that. You go to 2x, but it's like super dark. Let's do EV plus 2. $265 on EV plus 2, also on 2x. Crazy. Let's go to EV0 again. This is EV0. Let's remove the 256. Where is it? Oh, it's fallen. And then we have an ND16 here, okay? There we go. ND16. It's going down. To X. Back to 1x. What else can we try? We can try a polarizer. So let's take this off. Sorry about the thing there. We moved this a little too far, huh? Here we have a polarizer. So this will affect more the sky, right? No? Where is my lens? Is it this one or this one? Oh, this is the lens, right? So now we have the sky more blue, no? I'm changing here the polarizer. Oh, is this where the sky is darker, huh? Not sure. So we have a polarizer on there. Let's go 2x. Okay. We're going to try a 3x in a minute. The video is so long already though. It's 2x. And now we go up to 3x. There we go. There it is. Back to 1x. Yeah, so this was a few lenses I tried, and let me know how you like it. So now we are sitting here with 60 frames a second. How does that go? The only problem I have here that we are recording 120 frames a second. Really fast. 3x with 120 frames. Oh. So you have to be here.